Hello students. Welcome to yet another lesson on the number-based system. Let us see what we have to learn today. In today's lesson, we will learn 1. How to convert decimals to decimals. 2. How to convert decimal fractions from one base to another. Let us start by first knowing what decimals and decimals are. Decimals are base 10 fractions. Their place values have powers of 10, including negative numbers. For example, decimals have numbers such as 10 raised to power 2, 10 raised to power 1, 10 raised to power 0, 10 raised to power minus 1, 10 raised to power minus 2, etc. Decimals, on the other hand, are base 2 fractions, and their place values have powers of 2, including negative numbers. For example, decimals have numbers such as 2 raised to power 2, 2 raised to power 1, 2 raised to power 0, 2 raised to power minus 1, 2 raised to power minus 2, etc. We can always convert decimals to decimals and vice versa. Let us proceed as we convert decimal numbers to decimals. To convert decimals to decimals, we do so by expanding the numbers using their powers, including the negative powers. Let us see an example. Example 1. Convert 11.10 in base 2 to a decimal number. Solution. First, we expand the number 11.10 by multiplying through by 2. This will give us 1 times 2 raised to power 1 plus 1 times 2 raised to power 0 plus 1 times 2 raised to power minus 1 plus 0 times 2 raised to power minus 2. This will give us 2 plus 1 over 2 plus 0. And this equals 3 plus 1 over 2. But remember that 1 over 2 is the same as 0.5. So, 3 plus 0.5 equals 3.5. Therefore, 11.10 in base 2 equals 3.5 in decimal. Don't worry if it takes time to understand. You can watch it again, and then practice solving it yourself. Next, let us convert a decimal fraction to another base. To convert a decimal fraction to another base, we do so in 2 steps. Step 1. We divide repeatedly the whole number part. Step 2. We multiply repeatedly the fraction part. Let us see another example. Convert 30.25 in decimal to a number in base 3. Solution. Follow me as we break it down, step by step. Step 1. We successively divide the whole number, 30, by 3, taking note of our remainders. 3 divides 30, gives 10, remainder 0. 3 divides 10, gives 3, remainder 1. 3 divides 3, gives 1, remainder 0. And 3 divides 1, gives 0, remainder 1. Collecting the remainders in ascending order, we have 1, 0, 1, 0. Step 2. We multiply repeatedly the fraction part, 0.25. Also, we take note of the whole numbers after multiplication. So, 0.25 times 3 equals 0.75. Taking note of 0 as the whole number part, we multiply further. 0.75 times 3 equals 2.25. Taking note of 2 as the whole number part, we multiply further. 0.25 times 3 equals 0.75. We take note of 0 as the whole number and multiply yet again. 0.75 times 3 equals 2.25. Notice that we have recurring numbers. So, we collect our whole numbers in descending order. That gives us 0, 2, 0, 2, recurring. Putting them together, we have 1010.0202 recurring. Therefore, 30.25 in base 10 equals 1010.0202 recurring in base 3. Bravo! We have come to the end of this lesson. Now, let us do some assignments. Assignment. Write down the following assignments and solve them in your notebook. Convert the following decimals to decimals. Take your time and don't panic if you do not get it the first time. Let us summarize what we have learned so far. Today, we have learnt 1. What decimals and decimals are. 2. How to convert decimals to decimals. And 3. How to convert decimal fractions to other bases. In our next lesson, we shall look at addition and subtraction in number-based system. Remember, learning is a journey. See you in the next lesson. Thanks and goodbye.